We applied for some funding to enable us to buy a laminator, so that we could raise a revenue stream by people coming in and being able to laminate different items that they want, knitting patterns, recipes, whatever. We'd had a lot of people coming in and asking us if we could offer that service, and so we didn't have the funds to do it ourselves, so we thought that we'd apply and see if we could get lucky on the funding. It'll make a difference with us with our our revenue streams. We'll be able to create more revenue ourselves that can go back into supplying other things for the library, and it's also acting on the need of the community with something that they actually wanted themselves, whereby there was no other laminating service offered around the area that they could use.